Hello everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, nice to meet you. Subscribe and join my vlog season 2021. Anyways, my last video was a vlog and I was saying I wasn't gonna wash my hair, like only gonna wash it like once a week and trying to do natural, but I've noticed that a lot of you guys have been wanting me to like show you how I style my hair, like when I do it. So I'm gonna do that video today. Well, I'm gonna show you guys how I blow dry my hair, style my hair, all that good stuff. So I haven't washed it for again another week. So, and I wore it natural last week and it looks like this at the end of the week, just like flat and dry, and we're gonna get it looking nice. And yeah, I'm washing my sheets, as you can tell. But this is my hair right now. It's looking dirty, like you guys have seen. Yeah, so we're gonna go shower, wash it, and I'll see you guys after. So this is, you're gonna see me with my hair wet and ready to blow dry. So bye. Okay guys, I'm out of the shower. Sorry about the bed. Like I said, I'm washing my sheets, so it's just not made. We are back. We're gonna do my hair now. I obviously showered, let it dry a little bit. Normally I would like try and let it dry majority of the way, but for the sake of the video, I wanted to show you guys everything. I try to achieve like that blowout look, like that 90s look. That's like all over TikTok. I want to show you guys what I use. So I already prepped my hair because in my last vlog, go check it out, I showed you guys kind of my products. I use the Dyson. I know it's really expensive. I got it as a gift. I don't think I would have bought it for myself. There are a lot of amazing dupes out there if you guys still wanted to do this hair without a Dyson. I know there's like a Revlon blow brush that I used to use before this. I literally changed my hair game. But the first thing I'd like to do is just like take this blow dry tool. So if you have the blow dryer at home, just a normal blow dryer or anything will do. Hi, Dad. Okay, now that it's crazy, I'm gonna just comb through my hair because it just, blow drying it makes it so naughty. Using you guys as my mirror, so sorry if I'm looking right here. That's where the viewfinder is. So it's still a little damp. I like to focus on the roots because that's where it takes the longest to dry. And also I get the most frizz. So next I like to do is just section it off. So I do like a half up, half down, literally. Then I use these clips. I'll link these down below. These are from Amazon and they're just like literally like claw clips. So I like to use it for my hairstyle. And this is like what the Revlon hairbrush looks like. It's basically just this thing, but I know you can get smaller barrels. I'll try and find some dupes for you guys and link them down below so you can do this. This has so much hair in it. We take the brush to turn it on. So many people want to talk to me today. Hi. Hopefully no more interruptions. But anyways, so I go in and just kind of brush and like wind it. But this is just what it looks like before the rest of the styling. So that's just kind of what I do. And then the good thing about this one, which obviously like not all of them are like this, but I have seen a product that kind of does similar thing that isn't the Dyson. So basically what I do is I put on a barrel. This is a longer one. If you're familiar with the Dyson, they have shorter ones. This is a long skinny one. And it literally just wraps my hair and does like the most perfect curl. So we're gonna do it. I'll show you guys. So we take it out and you have this like curl, and I just like, it's just like a perfect curl, and you want to like let it cool and all that stuff. Okay, there's this one side. Now I'm doing the other side. Okay, this is this side. This is a little more like ringlet. Cool, and then I'll just pull it out because obviously that is not what I like. Now we're gonna divide the top section into parts. Okay, I'm just gonna like fast forward all of this stuff. Okay guys, this is the hair. It's kind of crazy right now. It always looks so crazy after I do it, and then throughout the day it just kind of calms down and turns into like this really pretty like blowout. But yeah, right now I kind of messed up, so I wish I had like curlers because that would help with like these little bang parts. It literally calms down in a little bit, but right now it's just having a moment when I have makeup on and it looks better. Okay guys, this is my hair like completely done. Basically this is how it looks. The curls, I kind of was like setting the curls, and this is just how it looks. And throughout the week it kind of gets straighter, if that makes sense. But this is how it looks today, the day I washed it. Obviously I just filmed a video, you know, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my hair with like makeup on and all that good stuff. So that's the final look. Like I said, I'll link everything down below, and any dupes for things that I can find, I got you guys. Sky, Sky, Sky. We just picked up Sky from daycare, and now we're watching Bob Ross and straight chilling, right babe? Mm-hmm. We're straight chilling out, relaxing, doing our thing. Finger look, open up your mouth and bite it. You did it. My finger has disappeared. So yeah, that's our Monday night for you. But I'm doing what I do best. I'm supposed to be uploading footage right now, but shopping. But yeah, I'm just strictly browsing home decor vibes. Anyways, just thought I'd update you guys. Look, Bob Ross on the TV. Love to see it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so it is like 2 days later. I'm actually editing this vlog right now and hoping to put it up for you guys. This is kind of like how my hair's looking throughout the week. I just wanted to give you guys like a little update. Sorry for the noise. I have like my little heater on because I'm freezing. But yeah, I love how it looks like a day later, 2 days later. It's still very voluminous and all that good stuff. So yeah, definitely try this out. I'm sorry I haven't been vlogging. I've been doing so much stuff behind the scenes that I haven't been able to share with you guys yet. But stay tuned for Saturday's video because I'll probably give you guys the news about everything that's been going on. So yeah, I've just been super stressed out with all of that stuff. So it's been really hard for me to focus and vlog. But don't worry, vlogs are going to be coming up with all of that stuff. So stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry this video is pretty short, but I did want to show you guys kind of like my little hair style vibes. I don't know. So let me know if you enjoyed it and give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.